Once upon a time there was a line that we would never cross, and we were never lost in our own way. So why'd you have to go and do all of the things you do? And now it's up to you to find a way. So don't be sorry. You say we never had a chance at all. We were meant to be outside of these four walls. We never had a chance at all. Once upon a time there was a life where you were an ordinary girl in an extraordinary world. And every now and then the lights go out in every window in this sleepy town. If it's quiet you can hear the sound of the fire burning out. So don't be sorry. You'll see we never had a chance at all. We were meant to be outside of these four walls. We never had a chance at all. And the farther we run to, the harder we fall. I know we never had it all. And the farther we run to, the